Maybe we're friends. I'm hoping that we are. But for sure, we're fellow associates in the kingdom of God. I want to tell you about some of the unusual results I'm having with the book that I wrote. Some of you may have had an opportunity to read Is God Religious? If not, why are we? But I know many of you are very, very busy. And even though you might have received the book or someone gave you the book, you haven't had a chance to read it. But I want to appeal to you on this basis. I've been a pastor for many years, as have you. And every time I ask the people in our church, when was the last time you had an experience of God's love? Very often, many of them say it was years ago or the very best months ago. And a very large number of people admit that they've never had an experience of God. And I think this is a tragedy. I think it's just a shame that John says, "Oh, what manner of love the Father has lavished on us, that we might be called his children." And many people have had no experience of God's love and really don't see themselves through the framework of a child of God. That was the purpose for writing the book. But here's the good thing. We're seeing some really extraordinary results in people's lives. People who've never had an encounter with the love of God are reporting very powerful experiences with the Lord, which they say are changing their lives. And one of the unique outcomes of this book, which I didn't expect, was that people are forming groups, studying the book and talking about it together, and then inviting Shell and I to come and do ministry on a weekend or an evening or an afternoon based on the material in the book. So it's really turning into an extremely practical experience for a whole lot of people. And I wanted you to know about this. We are available to come and do ministry weekends about the book, or even ministry days about the book, before or after people read the book. But the best experience, I think, comes after they've read the book. So if you're at all interested, check out my blog site, mark.cowpersmith.org, and we'll have more information for you about the book and about these ministry weekends. Thanks for allowing me this time with you. Bye.